Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Crazy Gamer. In this video, we're going to discuss whether you can change your profile picture on the Merge Mansion game. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Merge Mansion game on your device, and once the game is fully loaded, if you haven't logged into your account already, you will need to log in using your Google, your Facebook, or your Supercell ID. Once you are logged in, your game will resume from the point where you left off. Now tap on the settings icon at the top right corner and you will be taken into the settings page. Now within the settings page, you will see the sign in options. When you are signed in with an account, there is a profile picture associated with this account, but this profile picture does not appear anywhere within the game. If you tap on support, you will see your player name section. However, there is no profile picture at all. So this means that the Merge Mansion game does not have a profile picture feature at all. So you don't have to worry about changing your profile picture. And there you have it. That is all there is to know about profile pictures and changing it on the Merge Mansion game. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.